Hello students, as I have explained you, there are three models for dividend policy. They are Walters model, Gordon's model, and the third one is Miller-Modigliani dividend model. Okay, so according to Milton model, he is a professor, Franco Modigliani, presented a paper in 1958 arguing that there was a dividend policy and the earnings of the firm that decides the market value of the share and not the capital structure. According to him, he says the dividend policy and the earnings decides the market price. It is not the dividend which decides the market price. Okay, so according to him, a dividend is irrelevant in determining the market price. It is an investment policy and earnings of the firm that decides the share price. Okay, so he says that he uses the concept called arbitrage, and he says that once you declare the dividend, the market price, of course, it will go up, but for a short term, because when there is a financial needs, when there is a need to meet their financial requirements, okay, at that time financial is nothing but the money, the need for money. In that case, these companies go for the issue of a share. Okay, so at that time, particularly what happens is the this will bring the share price down to the previous level. So he want to say that no dividend become a mantra, so most of the companies started not giving dividend. Instead of the capital appreciation, that is increase in market price, was a good form of return to be given to the shareholders. Okay, so that perfection was followed by Modigliani and Miller, saying no dividend policy. So according to him, he has taken certain assumption, that is perfect capital market. He says that all the investors are rational and do not take decisions based on emotions and sentiments. They doesn't make any decision relating to the emotions, the sentiments, or everything. So they take direct decision. All the price sensitive information is available to all the investors at the same time. He says that the price sensitive information, if there is any price sensitive information, it will be available to all the investors at the same time. The securities are infinitely divisible. That no single investor is having the capability to influence the share price. No single investors will be able to capable the share price. Okay, non-existence of taxes. Tax does not exist. According to him, the tax does not exist. If tax exists, they may affect dividend and capital gains differently. This may have an influence on the share price. Hence, it is assumed that tax does not exist. Okay, so tax does not exist in the case of capital structure. Constant investment policy. The investment policy is constant, it is same, and it does not vary or differ from one person to another or 1 year to another. Forecasting ability. It is also assumed that the investor is able to forecast the future earnings, dividends, and share price of the firm accurately. So he is able to earn or forecast the future dividend and share price of the firm accurately. Okay, so let us go through the another formula. The formula to calculate the market price: P0, price at the beginning, 1 plus KE, cost of equity, minus dividend, where all the informations are given. See, this is a formula to calculate the share price. According to him, P0 is price at the beginning, KE is equal to cost of equity, D refers to dividend. Now, Tripura Engineering Limited had 1000 equity shares of rupees 100 each. During a financial year, its cost of equity was 20%. Using Modigliani and Miller model, decide what will be the price of the share if no dividend is declared. If a dividend of rupees 10 per share is declared, what will be the share price? Okay. So this is the information given in the problem. Once that is the price is given 100 rupees, where the cost of equity is 20% KE, and we have to calculate if there is no dividend what will be the price, and if there is a dividend what will be the price. So first we will write down the formula. So formula is already written, see here the formula. It is a simple one. See, what is price at the beginning? 100 rupees. What is KE? 20. 20% means you will take in decimal, it is 0.20. Dividend is 0 because we are taking the first one, no dividend, so dividend is 0. Now you add this first and multiply with 100, you will get 120. Second question asked is if the dividend is 10 rupees. If the dividend is 10 rupees, price will remain same, equity, cost of equity is same, the dividend is 10 rupees, then the market price is 110. Okay, 110. Okay. Now see what happens if there is no dividend. They will get 120 rupees as a when they sell the shares. If they get the dividend, they will get 110. In both the cases, the wealth of the shareholder is the same because they will get 10 rupees dividend. So 10 plus 110, it is 120. Here no dividend, if he sell, he will get 120. So here the explanation is given. Even though if the company declares a dividend and not declare the dividend, what happens is the wealth of the shareholder is same. Okay. Let us see one more problem. Say Unique Pharma Limited had 1 lakh outstanding equity shares of rupees 10 each on 1/2007. The company now intends to pay rupees 2 per share for the current year. It belongs to a risk class whose appropriate capitalization rate is 15%. Determine the price of the company share using Modigliani and Miller model. The first question is when the dividend is declared, when no dividend is declared. Okay. So first we will say when the dividend is declared. Okay. So this is a formula, and what is when dividend is declared? So what will be the answer? When what is a dividend? Dividend here is 2 rupees per share. So when no dividend is declared, then 10 rupees market price, 15 rupees this, so 2 rupees dividend. So you will get the answer 9.15. If no dividend is declared, so rest everything is same, but dividend is 0. So the price will be 150. Okay. So this is what the answer is. See here also same thing, I'll repeat it. This have appeared in the exam most of the time. See, two chemical companies, Asian Limited and Burger Paints Limited, had an equity shares of 150. So both the companies have same 150 rupees. During the financial year 2005 and 6 each, one made a net profit of rupees 210 crores. Cost of equity is same for both the companies at 10%. So KE is 10%. Asian Paints Limited decided to declare a dividend of 8 per share, and Burger Paints Limited decided not to declare any dividend. Okay. So Asian company's dividend is 8 and Burger company's dividend is no dividend. Calculate the share price of Asian Limited after declaration of dividend. So what is the Asian company's this thing we will see.